So over here you can see that I have a Blender project, and now we're going to utilize the 3D cursor to make it act as a temporary pivot point to rotate around an object. So here you can see that I have an object. So if I were to actually rotate this around, then you can see that it rotates right on the center just like this. But if I were to go over here and press Shift right click, then what happens is that I have the 3D cursor over here. So what I can do is I can utilize this as a temporary pivot point that I want to use. So I can just go around and then place it where I want, as you can see right here. And then if I were to select the object just like this, and then if I were to go over here and select 3D cursor, now what I can do is I can press R, and you can see that now I get this arrow right here. I do not need to do anything with the mouse, but just move around it, and you can see that I can move this object around from this 3D cursor as the temporary pivot point, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Shift A, and then I'm going to bring in, let's say for example, a sphere just like this, and I'm going to place the pivot point right over here on the center just like this. So now if I were to select both of the object by holding Shift, what I can do is I can select 3D cursor again, press R, and you can see that I can rotate around this object from this very pivot point just like this. So that is how you can work around with the rotation of the pivot point for the object. So what else you can do is you can go around and then place objects as well. So let's say for example I want to place this object. I'm just going to go around and hold Shift and right click and get the 3D cursor right here. So let's say I want this object right over here on this point. So in that case I'm going to press Shift S, and then here you can see that I have some option right here, selection to cursor. So what that does is it actually brings out the selected item over here, as you can see. So now I can also select this, and both of these I'm just going to Shift right click right here. I can press Shift S, and then if I were to select selection to cursor, you can see both of the items, they come in the same spot just like that. So I can just go around and if I were to resize this, you can see that the sphere and the box that is a square box is at the same area just like that, as you can see. I can also do this. So if I want the 3D cursor to be on this object right here, then what I can simply do is I can press Shift S, and I can click on cursor to selection, and then the cursor actually goes here. So that is how you can utilize cursor to actually place objects and then use it as a temporary pivot point for rotation inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.